Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on May the 29th, 2019. Worries about global recession hit stocks. Asian shares declined on Wednesday and bonds increased as investor sentiment soared on growing fears about world growth, with trade tensions between the United States and China showing no signs of easing. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped 0.5% after 3 straight days of gains. Chinese shares decreased but rebounded early losses be slightly higher. Australian shares ended 0.7% lower, while Japan's Nikkei faltered 1.2%. US and European markets also fell on Wednesday. Risk aversion has increased globally in recent days as fears of world recession reappeared amid disappointing macro data in major economies. John Bercow vows to stay in post as Speaker. John Bercow has said he plans to stay in his post as Speaker of the House of Commons, despite previous expectations of his resign, risking the dissatisfaction of Eurosceptics who believe he wants to prevent a no-deal Brexit. The Speaker told The Guardian it was not sensible to vacate the chair while there were major issues before Parliament. He warned candidates not to try to force no-deal Brexit without the permission of MPs. Bercow said, "I've never said anything about going in July of this year. Secondly, I do feel that now is a time in which momentous events are taking place and there are great issues to be resolved, and in those circumstances it doesn't seem to me sensible to vacate the chair." ArcelorMittal cuts steel output on falling demand. ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steelmaker, is reducing production across its European plants to grapple with weak demand and rising imports. According to a statement on Wednesday, the company will cut primary steelmaking production in Dunkirk, France, and Eisenhüttenstadt, Germany. It would also cut output in Bremen, Germany, and extend a stoppage plant in Asturias, Spain, in the fourth quarter. "This is again a hard decision for us to have taken, but given the level of weakness in the market, we feel it is the prudent course of action," said Geert van Poelvoort, the chief executive officer for the ArcelorMittal's flat products division in Europe. MediaTek's 5G chip aims to contend with Qualcomm. Taiwan-based chip supplier MediaTek Inc. on Wednesday released a new 5G chip for fast, high-end smartphones that aims to contend with much larger rival Qualcomm Inc. With a new chip unveiled at the Computex trade show in Taiwan, MediaTek is targeting the more powerful phones currently supplied by Qualcomm. The chip will contain MediaTek's 5G modem, which connects phones to the next generation of wireless data networks, rolling out this year and next. By building in a high-powered processor, MediaTek is seeking to challenge Qualcomm's market dominance. However, Qualcomm has a head start. In February, it announced its second-generation 5G chip for smartphones.